This is the biggest wealth transfer in recorded history. The assets being passed down to Millennials and Generation Z total more than $100 trillion. The baby boomer generation, defined as those born between 1946 and 1964, is a group of diligent, ambitious, and hardworking individuals who are gearing up to bequeath their riches to their offspring and future generations. While all this seems like good news, one particular area of concern can make or break this phenomenal transfer of wealth. The one concerning factor is the ability of Millennials and Gen Z to handle wealth. According to numerous US statistics, 7 out of 10 Millennials live paycheck to paycheck, and the general population of the generation has relatively lower household incomes compared to their parents. More so, Millennials often suffer from financial stress brought by high college debts, expensive rent, soaring product prices, and job losses. Because of all these, Millennials find it difficult to even save for retirement, much less build wealth in their younger years. If you're one of these people, we understand your situation, but far from giving up, there's still hope left. In an era defined by unprecedented technological advancements, the millennial generation finds itself at the forefront of innovation, embracing opportunities that span far beyond the conventional. The age of digital transformation has given rise to an investment phenomenon that has captivated the attention of forward-thinking individuals worldwide: Bitcoin. Welcome to Luxo-Life, your partner toward personal growth and success. In this brand new series, we're tackling the current financial situation that overwhelms Millennials and how understanding Bitcoin can be a transforming journey for your economic status. So take a seat, relax, and watch this video until the end. Let's get started. As Millennials break free from the traditional financial norms that their predecessors adhered to, they're embracing the decentralized, borderless, and revolutionary world of cryptocurrencies with open arms. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, stands as a testament to the digital age, offering a decentralized alternative to the conventional financial system. As we dissect the fundamental concepts and uses of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, we will also explore the unique ways in which Millennials can boost their income, secure their finances, and build their wealth with digital currency. From understanding the basics to exploring the potential benefits and risks, we'll guide you through a potentially life-changing journey that is cryptocurrency investing. Take hold of your life, seize opportunities, solve problems, and surpass your limits. The world is unfair, but that doesn't mean we can't level the game. Things have changed a lot, and they will continue to change. The only question is, will you keep up? The traditional concepts of working, saving, and investing in property as the steps to success have long been taught by your grandparents and parents. And while these concepts still hold and are valuable in today's age, you have to be smarter and more resilient if you want to make it out. Hard work no longer guarantees higher salaries. Extensive traditional savings can barely keep up with rising inflation rates. Investing in property remains a valuable investment tool, but fewer and fewer people are doing it. Why? Because times are changing and the traditional norms of finances are beginning to lose value. Why is your money losing value? Why are you suffering even though you followed the same pattern of working hard, saving up, and investing broadly like your parents? Besides the flaws of the current financial system, it's also because of abundance. Think about it this way. When your dad was an engineer, there weren't a lot of engineers in his time, and because of that scarcity, companies were immediately hiring and offering high salaries for fresh graduates just to staff engineers. Back in their time, there weren't a lot of dollar bills being printed and shuffled around the system. That's why prices were generally cheaper, because the dollar's buying power was quite high. Now, however, there's an overabundance of printed dollars, professionals and workers, and over time, the value of these assets deteriorates. Now you're earning less but having to spend more on your daily necessities. Because not only did your profession lose value because of abundance, but your money as well. So what's the key to building wealth in these times of superabundance? Scarcity, rarity, elusiveness. The more unique the asset you bring to the table, the higher its value. Why do CEOs earn more than 10 regular employees? Simply because he's the CEO, but does that mean he works harder than the employees? Probably not, but because he brings a unique skill set and leadership quality to the table, his value is naturally higher. It's the same when it comes to selling products that people know are rare and have a higher value than others. It's all about the scarcity of a product, its rarity, uniqueness, and elusiveness that set it apart. While other criteria do matter, such as quality, credibility, performance, and appearance, it's more often that value due to scarcity takes precedence and applies to all marketable products, be it tangible goods, skills, or digital currencies. The concept of scarcity naturally applies to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. There's not a lot of them out there, and people know that, which is why they want a piece of them. The concept is very familiar with blockchain technology and NFTs, which is why these often senseless pieces of the internet can sell for thousands, if not millions of dollars, all because they're one of a kind. Hence, Bitcoin's value continues to increase, and while investors would often observe fluctuations, these are all because of cryptocurrency's natural volatility, as the market is predominantly controlled by supply and demand. Bitcoin's supply is limited to around 21 million coins, which creates scarcity. This scarcity is in contrast to traditional fiat currencies, which can be printed in unlimited quantities by governments. As more people and institutions seek to acquire Bitcoin, its scarcity drives up its value. So you say you own one Bitcoin. That means you own approximately 0.000048% of the market, and that may seem like a very small piece of the whole pie, but one Bitcoin already costs nearly $34,000 today, and the value only keeps getting up as more and more people want a piece of that pie. Imagine the absurd wealth of the people who first invented in Bitcoin when a coin cost $1 back in February 2011. Many people thought Bitcoin was an absolute scam back then, but now many people buy Bitcoin as an investment, hoping that its value will increase over time. Speculation and investor sentiment play a significant role in driving up the price of Bitcoin. One of the reasons why Millennials and Gen Z invest in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies today is because they view it as an excellent store of value. Instead of relying wholly on 401ks, people are turning to invest in Bitcoin, hoping that it would be their ultimate retirement fund. Other influencers believe that Bitcoin is perfect for not only building wealth but also preserving it. Why are they so confident in Bitcoin? Because it's an alternative, decentralized store of value that can help individuals protect their wealth and avoid the negative impacts of inflation and devaluation. Remember, Bitcoin isn't entirely affected by the inflation and recession of economies, but its value is driven by supply and demand. So as more people crave Bitcoin as a wealth builder and keeper, the more likely its value will hold. Thus, the negative and risky aspect of Bitcoin is that when people begin to lose confidence, it automatically loses value. That's what makes the crypto market so volatile. One influential tweet can immediately put the value of crypto in the red. Bitcoin is a breakaway from the traditional norms of finance and the financial system itself, but it's not entirely a safe haven either. You have to keep that in mind. However, what makes millennials perfectly equipped to invest in Bitcoin is their timeliness. If you're a millennial, you're born in a time of fast-paced development, a time where groundbreaking discoveries, technological advancements, and novel systems are being made every year. Because of the fast-paced world you grew up in, you eventually developed the resilience and adaptability to survive. The times have forced you to learn and grow at such an unprecedented rate, enhancing your critical thinking skills and perseverance to discover and try the new. The older generations will barely try to invest in Bitcoin. Hell, they're the ones losing money fast because of technology. The present and future are on you, and your courage to learn new things on your own because your parents can't teach you anymore is your best attribute. You see, a lot of people from our generation are suffering because they stick fast to the old generation's norms and ideologies without exploring new paths. The repetitiveness of working, saving, and investing will still allow you to survive day to day, but that's exactly what living paycheck to paycheck means. You're working and earning, but you're not exactly living. That cycle has worked for our parents and grandparents who enjoyed a simpler, slower, and more sustained lifestyle, but our world runs faster now. You have to explore new avenues of work and profit that not only put food on your table, clothes on your body, and a roof over your head, but also give you the chance to live, be happy, raise a family, go places, relax, and so much more. Bitcoin isn't going to be your one-way ticket to happiness and sustenance, but it can help put your mind at ease knowing you've got a good place to build and store your wealth for when you need it. Well, that's all for this introductory video. So, how do you want to live your life? Are you satisfied living paycheck to paycheck, or do you want to live more? Do you believe investing in Bitcoin would give you the financial freedom and security you desire, or are you fine with the way things are? Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and we'd love to hear from you. If you liked this video, leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.